Guys, welcome back to my channel. So the topic we are discussing today is 15 possible signs your boyfriend is trying to make you jealous. Being in love is so beautiful, but with these butterflies in your stomach, you may also experience mixed emotions. Jealousy is one of the most common emotions we feel when in love. It is normal to feel jealous because it is human nature. However, if too much, jealousy can be annoying and even toxic. No one wants to be with someone who always tries to second guess what they are trying to say. Is he trying to make me jealous, or maybe he doesn't love me anymore? I've compiled a comprehensive guide that will help you find out if your man is trying to make you jealous or not. Is he trying to make me jealous? What does it mean? Love and the feeling of being in love can become complicated when we try to do things the hard way instead of communicating with each other. It is true some guys don't enjoy talking or opening up about their feelings. Guys would rather get your attention through actions that they think would work. This is a good question. There could be many reasons why a guy would choose to make you jealous rather than sit down and open up. Some guys feel that seeing you jealous also means that you have the same feelings as they have for you. It is also a way for him to get the attention he wants from you. Immaturity is also an enormous factor in while he will go to great lengths just to see you jealous. It could also be one of the signs he's jealous. So he's trying to make you feel the same way. Since you now know the reasons, you want to also know why he is doing it. It might surprise you how much effort some guys will put in just to see you fuming with jealousy. Number one, he suddenly starts to talk about others a lot. He's trying to make me jealous as he tries to talk about other girls with me. And then pays attention to my reaction. Hey. He could say that he was up all night talking to a friend who is a possible competition, or that he met someone new at work today. A man who suddenly talks about women a lot, whether it is true or not, is just trying to see if he could see you jealous. This is one way he's trying to see if your mood will change. If you do, then he would confirm your jealousy. Number two, he brags about his success. Did you just notice how he talks about all of his travel experiences? How about all his school achievements and now, even at work? Maybe he's just bragging about that new car he just bought, or how he could afford a condo unit at an early age. Whatever type of achievements he has, he is making sure that people know about it. And he is not shy about bragging. Aside from getting the attention he wants, he also wants to check if you will be affected by all his achievements. If he gets your attention and you get affected, then it is a win-win situation for him. Number three, he starts flirting. He's flirting even when I'm around. Is he trying to make me jealous, or he's just playing me? Remember that a player will flirt with other girls behind your back. Like a thief in the night, he is secretive and quiet and will deny all the evidence you have about him flirting. It is the total opposite when he wants to make you jealous. To make you feel jealous, he would show you how he flirts with other women in front of you. This is because his goal isn't to get another girl, but to see how you get angry and jealous. Number four, he starts talking about his exes. An old fling is back in town, or maybe just the thought of it. You may start noticing him talking about an ex who lives nearby. He could say that they have accidentally met, and since they are friends, they could hang out. He is really not asking for your approval, and maybe that scenario isn't even going to happen. The primary goal is to know if you will get angry at the thought of him meeting an ex or another girl, or even being close to an ex or another girl. Number five, he becomes distant. Now he's being distant with me. I don't know if he's trying to make me jealous, or he's no longer in love with me. It is true. It could be heartbreaking to be involved in a game where someone who should love you will pretend not to care to see if you would break down. His goal is to make you show your jealousy that there is someone else, and she is the reason he is being distant. For some, this could happen when his attention diminishes and you feel the distance between you. Number six, he would go out with his friends without you? Has he been trying to make you jealous by going out with friends more than he is spending time with you? If you feel like he changed and started being too socially involved with his friends and going out, there's a chance he's trying to make you jealous. Another way to tell is he would press you with questions about his behavior just to see if you would give up and admit that you are jealous. Number 7, he becomes super busy. Aside from being distant, he may become super busy even to see you. He could try to do this if the other tactics didn't work. After all, some women get jealous not of other girls, but of the time and presence of their partners. If a guy tries to make you jealous using these tactics, then he's hoping for you to ask him to spend more time with you, or even go out of your way and investigate if he is busy or not. Either way, he just wants to see how these tactics would affect you. Number 8, generous with other women. He tries to make me jealous by buying her drinks even when I'm here. There's a big difference between trying to make you jealous and being a player. Again, like flirting, a player will never show this in front of you. A player will always show you that you are the only one. However, a man who wants to make you jealous will use his bold moves when he sees that you're not the jealous type of woman. Maybe you would be fuming with anger and jealousy if he bought another person a drink. Number 9, he asks triggering questions. Another way he would try to make you jealous is to try to ruin your mood by asking you trigger questions. What if you find out that I still have feelings for my ex? What would you do? These types of questions aim to trigger a response of a jealousy, and he is hoping that you would. Number 10, he compliments other girls when you're there. Is he trying to make me jealous by complimenting other people even when I'm there? Or he's being insensitive? You're together and he's leaving gracious comments about how beautiful, how cute girls are. This is another way he's trying to get your attention. If he's watching your reaction, he likely only wants you to get jealous. Of course, for some men, women hate it when they compliment other women. Number 11, he shows you that many women like him. Also, a sign of bragging and hoping that you will get affected is when he talks about how women swoon over him. He may talk about many instances where women would flirt with him and give him a motive. Of course, he would say you're present to see if your mood changes. Number 12, he becomes happy when you show signs of jealousy. Here's another way to tell if a guy is trying to make you jealous. Did you notice a smile on his face? Is he paying attention when you finally get affected and show the slightest sign of jealousy? He wins if your mood changes when you get angry or jealous. In these cases, you will see his mood change. You will notice that little victory smile on his face. 13, he is super busy with his phone and laughs a lot when you're together, but he's always looking at his phone waiting for a chat. And he also smiles and giggles a lot. Maybe he is chatting and flirting with another woman and wants to see if you will grab that phone and get angry. He's waiting to see you to show any signs that you're jealous because of his behavior. Number 14, using his friends to make you jealous. I think he's trying to use his friends by telling his friends to tell me things. That's usually the case here. Most men and their peers may have the same mindset and will go to great lengths to see some results. They are also very patient. His friends would be the perfect medium to relay a message to you. They might tell you he is flirting with another girl or that another girl is trying to desperately get him. They might also watch how you react. Number 15, does it more when he sees that you are affected. Unfortunately, it doesn't stop there. When you've finally shown jealousy, getting the satisfaction of feeding their ego would be too exciting, so they will do more of what ticks you. The satisfaction can be addictive to the point where they forget boundaries, respect, and love. They would focus on seeing how they would trigger you. So these are the signs that when you notice there's a possibility that he is trying to make you jealous, and you might be wondering why. Sometimes it could be immaturity, it could be because they don't know how to talk to you. But if you are experiencing difficulties in your marriage or relationship, it is best to involve a relationship therapist or a counselor. Or guys, try to be bold enough to talk to your woman. Convey that message the right way. Or depends on understanding, trying out things to make a woman jealous, depending on the woman and her personality, might not cause any harm to the relationship or marriage. But you should know boundaries and limits. And I hope this video will be helpful. As usual, make sure you like this video. If you find it helpful, leave a comment down there below in the comment section. Tell me if I am correct. I know that this does not pertain to 100% every human. So tell me another way guys make women jealous. Ladies, talk to me in the comment section. Bye. I'm going to see you next time in my next video.